Choose the best portrait with the help of AI previews. Howdy y'all, I'm gonna show you how the new previews from Zoner Photo Studio X actually work with the help of AI. We're gonna demonstrate these on this group photo. And before, if I wanted to see how everyone actually looked up close, we needed to zoom in and then pan over to look at each individual face to make sure that no one blinked, looked funny, and so forth. You might notice this new icon in the top section of the navigator, which is a magnifying glass with the letters AI. Click it to enable AI close-ups, and now we can see that each face is zoomed in automatically. This feature comes in super handy when we're going through photos and trying to choose the best one in a series. If we select multiple photos from a series, only the close-ups are displayed, and we can choose the best one and make sure that no one's blinking or doing anything funny. The specific face you choose will show in your viewer by clicking on it. You can adjust the scale of the close-up, and using this arrow right here, you can set it to 100%, 150%, and 200%, or you can set it to the shorter side of the face. So that is how we can quickly and easily go through close-ups of our portraits and select that best one.